Hi everybody, we have an exciting announcement to make for the channel.
Yes, we're so excited to share.
Yes, indeed.
Technically, it's not for this channel, it's for our brand new channel called Breakup Basics. And the reason that we're doing that is, I realize we have over 1,100 videos on this channel.
Wow.
And that's extremely overwhelming.
It's a lot.
So the new channel is going to cover a lot of the breakup basics that you'd want to know, especially when you're first going through a breakup.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
It's a great place to start, and it really does cover the foundations. On this channel, we do delve much deeper into mental health, into relationship skills, and so it's a light place to start to get your feet wet.
You're going to love it. The only difference with the videos over there is there's no intro or outro, so it'll feel a little bit different, but you're going to get a lot of fresh new takes on topics that we've covered before. Mm-hmm. And of course, there'll be new topics over there as well. But make sure when you subscribe, you hit the notification bell, because that channel will only release a video about once a week or so.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. And this allows us to put out more content for you to better serve you and to help you better understand your breakup.
And there will be no changes to the main channel, so do not worry. There will be nothing different on the main channel.
Okay, so this is first aid.
Yes.
When you're absolutely terrified, this is where you go.
You'll love that new channel.
All right. And click in the link in the description below and check it out.